Hello?
Hello, Ayla? Oh, is it for me? Hello? Hi, Ayla. How are you? Yeah, we're playing. You want to come over? Okay, we'll see you here. Bye. It's Ayla. She wants to talk to you.
Oh,
Ayla, don't be silly. Just come over here already. Her ears hurt? Your ears hurt? No. What is that? Pika peekaboo. Here, it's for you.